back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Tuesday, and I hadn't really planned on having a thrift haul for today, but I had to come in on Sunday to get some orders packed to go out in the mail on Monday. And while I was going to be in town anyway, I thought, what the heck, I'll just do a quick loop and stop by here, pack my orders, and then head home. So that's what I did. I left the husband at home so he could sleep in and watch some football, and I came into town, and boy, I think I got a little bit more than I had planned. I really was only going to get a few items, and I managed to find quite a few that I obviously just couldn't live without. So I'm going to show all those to you today. And I think I'll just kind of get started. I will start, well, I'll show you the things up here and then I'll work my way to the floor. So if I can reach. These I actually found on our last junk run and I forgot about them and I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. They're these little molds, and I've seen people make like Christmas trees with these. I've seen people paint them and decorate the insides. Not really sure exactly what I'm going to do with these, like I said, but they were $5 for the whole set of them, so I grabbed those. Then this I just loved. It's so pretty and it looks very aged and patinaed. I'm sure it's created that way. I don't think it's antique. It looks like it was made in India. It was a little more than I would have wanted to spend. It was $8, $7.99. But it's metal and I love the look of it, so I grabbed it. I think this will be great in a spring vignette with some flowers in it. So I thought it was really pretty, so I grabbed it. And then this little guy, I'm always on the lookout for things for all seasons because they tend to be cheaper when they're off season, and this was no exception. This little cute owl pillar holder was only $2.99 at the Goodwill, and I thought he was just really adorable. I don't have to do a stinking thing to him. He's ready to go the way he is, just needs a bath. So unfortunately I will have to store him until fall, but that's okay with me. So grabbed him. And then this little vase I thought was just sweet. It's very, very dirty. It's greasy, like it was in somebody's kitchen. I absolutely love the color. It's just really cute. And it was a red tag item, so it was half price, so it was 99 cents. So I grabbed that. Now, I'm always on the lookout for good pots, and this is no exception. It's got a little bitty hole in the bottom of it. It's a really nice pot, decent size, which I like. I love the glazing on it. It's really pretty. And this one was really inexpensive. Where is the price on it? And the price tag fell off. No, there it is, $4.99. So it was only $5. So I grabbed this, and it's in really good shape. Like I said, no cracks or anything like that. So grabbed that. Then these two pillar holders. These are great because I don't even have to spray paint these as a base coat because they're already a nice color. And I can just paint right over this and then distress back to this black. So that's great. And they were pretty inexpensive, $3.99 and $2.99. So I grabbed a set of those. So they'll get a paint job at some point. And they feel like they're wood. They might be resin, I'm not really sure. This I thought was cute. It's very fall-esque, which is fine. I might just pack this away until I'm ready to build displays for fall, but I love the sunflower, like the color, and it was only $2.99, so I grabbed that. And then this little chicken will probably get a paint job. It's pretty faded along all of its little red parts. It is super greasy, so hopefully the Dawn will help get rid of all the grease and yuck from it. And then, like I said, I will probably paint this chicken. And this one was $4.99. So I thought it was cute and worth saving. Very dirty. Then this big candle holder. was only $5.99. I thought this was great for Christmas. I'm going to try and get it over to my booth over in Reclaimed Cottage before the Christmas season is over. We're probably going to leave reds and pinks and that kind of stuff in through like Valentine's Day. So we'll make cute little Valentine's Day vignettes, and this will be okay in that as well. And for $6, it's a nice solid piece. This is ceramic. It's really heavy, and no chips or dings or anything like that. So I grabbed that. I thought it was cute. And then, let's do this one so I can kind of get him out of the way. I loved this. I was so excited when I saw this. I nabbed it and stuck it straight in my cart. I am not going to do anything to this. This is so pretty, just the way it is. Great for a planter, and this will probably just go right out into the nursery until spring. I might stick it in the shed for now, but this will be something that I'll have for sale out in the nursery. And was only $5.99, so I grabbed that right away. And then these guys I found at 2 different Goodwills. So these 2 I found at one, and then that one was at another. So these ones were $1.99. It looks like they've got the original price tags on them. They were $14.99 wherever they were from originally. I'm just thinking for spring with some really pretty spring flowers. The galvanized, I can kind of make a little vignette with these and some other things. So I was excited to find 2 of them, which was nice. And the price was decent for $1.99. So, and then this one I found at another Goodwill, and this one was a little more expensive for $4.99, but it's a little bit bigger. I just think it'd be cute, so I grabbed it. It's in good shape. I like the shape of these a lot, and I usually sell them pretty quickly when I put them out. So grabbed all of those. Then I grabbed this little angel. It's just a candle holder. I thought this would be a cute porch decoration. I might actually take this home myself and put her on my porch. She could use a paint job. The brass finish is pretty tacky at this point. It's got a lot of wear and tear and kind of tarnish, and the tarnish on this isn't very pretty. So I might just paint her black, use some black spray paint, and this needs washed, and then either put her out on the floor here. Like I said, I might take her home and put her on my own porch. Oh, and she was only $2.99. So grabbed her. Loved this cute little picture. I thought this was just adorable. I am definitely going to do something with this frame. I might even add some molds to this frame just to kind of dress it up a little bit more, because it's very, very plain. But this, I love this little bird. I think it's so cute. So, and this was $3.99. So I grabbed that. And then this bird cage, it's got a thing that's supposed to sit in it that is just kind of undone. I'll have to fix that later. But big, nice bird cage, galvanized. I don't know that I'm going to paint this either, just because all this kind of galvanized with some other different maybe metals or something softer will look really good all together in a display. So I might just leave it alone. And this baby was only $5.99. So it was $6 for this. So, and it's a nice one. I mean, it's really big. So I think I can definitely get some money for that. Then a bread box. Like I said, you guys, I just kind of went crazy. I found so many cool things. And this was stashed like underneath some wreaths and stuff. And I don't know if somebody was like hiding it. I have no idea, but it was only $4.99. It's a really nice shape. I like it when the doors are nice and solid like this, because you can stencil bread on here. And I will definitely replace this knob with something way cuter. And the only thing I've got to figure out is this is a little loosey-goosey, but I'm thinking the wood is thick enough that I can probably just do some brad nails in here to shore that up a little bit and make it a little bit more sturdy. So, but good paint job and a little new knob and a cute stencil, and this will be good to go. So, and it was only $4.99. So I grabbed that. this adorable little angel. She'll go right out as soon as she has a bath in one of my Christmas displays. And she was $5.99, so I won't make a bunch of money on her, but she was really cute, and she'll match really well in with my display, so I grabbed her. And then I'm sure you guys noticed these. When I walked into my very first Goodwill, these were the first things I spotted. I was there at 9 o'clock as soon as they opened. And as soon as I saw these, I nabbed them and ran them up to the cash register and told the gal to hold them for me. They were $12.99 a piece. I got 2 of them. These are going to go out into the shed, and then they'll go out in the nursery as well in the spring. These are perfect for displaying some of my plants out there. So I was really, really excited to find these. I couldn't believe it. So grabbed both of those. That's what I mean. It was way more of a haul than I thought it was going to be, for sure. Then this little bitty box, it looks like a miniature bread box, like, but it's got 2 little sections in it. So a jewelry box, I don't know. You could use it for just about anything. Seed storage would be great. And it was only $3.99. I'm gonna obviously paint it. This one, oh, I guess the knob comes out, so I might just replace the knob on this one as well and make it cute. And then it'll probably go in a spring vignette, honestly. So there's that. And then another little box that I thought was sweet. I'm probably going to lose the little peoples on the front. They're cute and all, they're just really not my thing. So, but this is just a little like jewelry box, trinket box, whatever you would want to use it for. This comes out, so it's just got little staples holding it in. So I'll take that out and maybe do some decoupage paper or a transfer, something cute, and dress this up really cute. And this will be it was $3.99. So, and then I paid a little bit for this. It was $12.99, but it's hand painted. It's an original. It's on canvas, solid wood frame. And I just thought it was super cute. I do have my customers who love chickens still, and I love this. I think it's just so whimsical and cute, and love the little birds and all the detail in the background and the little garden things. I just think it's really cute. So I grabbed that. So when I said it's $12.99, I can't remember. I think I've had too much coffee this morning. So then this I thought was so cute. It was, again, a little more than I would have wanted to spend. It was $7.99, but it's solid metal. I think it's adorable because these spin. They need to be bent out just a little bit more. And it's got like a little pretend engine in here, which is cute. And it's a plant holder. So super adorable to go out in your garden. So again, another piece more for spring. And I love having all of the metal to take with me to Garden Expo. It seems to sell really well there because people are always looking for things to put out in their garden. So that'll be a great item for that. And then I found this wreath. I think this one, yeah, this was $7.99. It's a nice one. It's got this really thick kind of grapevine base to it. I like the greenery that's on this. I like the color and the texture of it. Then, of course, the little red berries. I honestly am thinking I might keep this one and put it on my front door here at the cottage, just because it is kind of cool. So we'll see, though. But I really like this. And again, for $7.99, I couldn't pass it up. And then the last thing is this. And I almost forgot and went ahead and put this up before the video, but I wanted to show you guys. I think I paid, oh gosh, there it is, $7.99 for this as well. It's all there, lights up. So I'm going to put this on my fence here at the cottage, back by the nursery, because I can't really put anything in my front yard because things tend to disappear there. But inside my fence is a different story. So I am going to use this for decor here at the cottage. So for $8, I thought, what the heck, it'd be nice to have a little festive thing out there with lights. So I grabbed that. And that is my haul that I got on Sunday by accident. And so a lot of it, like I said, is just going to get washed and probably put out in the shed for now until spring, or at least until I'm ready to start building some of my spring vignettes. And so, plus I don't want to have it kicking around in my poor kitchen. It's already full of stuff. So there's that. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video today. I hope you enjoyed all the things. Please let me know if you have a favorite. I always like to hear what you guys' thoughts are on some of the stuff that I get. If you liked the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate that. And for, let's see, Friday, I'm going to be working on some projects. I've got a dresser. I got in some new products that I might do an unboxing for. So there's a lot of things that I can visualize possibly using for Friday's video, so I hope you'll join me for that. I wanted to remind you guys that my Black Friday sale is going on through the 30th. I've got some great redesigned products on sale right now. Everything is 20% off on my website, and then there are a bunch of items that are 50% off. And through the 30th, if you order $35, you get a free item, free gift, and if you order $75 or more in the redesign, you get a free brayer, and that's like a $15 retail value. So please, if you are in the or if you're looking for any of that kind of stuff, take a look and see if I've got anything that might suit your fancy. And also the DIY, the Sweet Pickins, and the recycled are there as well. So if you need any of that, www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. It's listed in the description box below as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you will join me back here on Friday, and until then, have a great week. Bye.